Hi, I'm Joe with Pro Finish Detail. Here today we're going to show you some demos with Flitz ceramic sealant that we use. We also use it in our ultimate detail service that we professionally apply the product to the vehicle when it is completely detailed. We will do a demonstration on this vehicle of the product, show you the ease of use of it and how easy it is to use, and I'll show you some steps. First step I would always recommend is we would neutralize the surface. We use alcohol, like 70%. Always start off with a clean microfiber towel, fold it into 4 squares like this. Always spray the alcohol on the rag first. I would advise not spraying it on the hood, and then just wipe the surface. And what this is doing, it's removing any type of oils, old waxes, any type of sealants, because you want to get the surface neutralized so the Flitz ceramic sealant bonds to the surface correctly, and you get more longevity that way. And then this is the product we're using today, Flitz ceramic sealant. Also have one of their nice plush towels that they do have for sale. And then again, I would recommend 2 sprays on one side of the cloth, and then just probably half the hood to wipe on. 1 layer, go back again with 2 sprays and go across. Again, I would recommend doing it probably in a half hood section. I would not do the whole hood at the same time. Again, I do recommend you should keep rotating the cloth to remove any streaks that you do see. If you overspray the product, it will streak, so you want to, use it in a very sparing manner. You don't need to oversaturate the surface with too much product. And it is very user-friendly, obviously, to use. This product also is a good idea to wipe on your wheels to keep those nice and clean. It also cuts down on the brake dust buildups too. And then just wipe your wheels, each spoke. And so on and so forth. Very easy to use. So once again, this is another thing that we also do in our ultimate service. We do use this sealant. Again, a couple mist per sprays, and we do go in the door jamb itself, because this is where corrosion typically likes to start, especially with the Wisconsin harsh winters and salt. Just wipe it in here. And again, you'll need to keep rotating that cloth through to get any streaks out.